My father actually wrote some things, you know, in his memoirs, never got published, but I translated a few pages of it. It's pretty interesting. And, you know, I grew up in this little town and born in a place called Lingbian, and these are kind of Yiddish names, and grew up in a place called Duksht, which in Lithuanian is Dukstas or something like that. Went to work early. He was obviously very bright, and he somehow learned non-Jewish subjects, you know, secular subjects, and just had a sort of burning desire to learn. And well, you know, there was a movement, sort of a secular, of getting access to the secular world, mostly in Hebrew, actually. And the path to getting into the outer world was really to go through the yeshivas, because the guys, I mean, they went to the yeshiva, and the yeshiva they learned, got access to the city and to all these political movements and so on. And that was sort of the path to political liberation. And so he, I think it was kind of like in Babar, you know, a rich lady helped him, probably paid his fare to Vilna, now Vilnius, and he went to yeshiva. In fact, he went to a couple of the best yeshivas, and got involved with you know, socialists, and the rabbi caught him reading, you know, Marx under what he was supposed to be reading, and they warned him and told him next time that happened they'd throw him out, and it happened again, and so he had to leave. And then I think he went to work for a newspaper, kind of a runner, and he became, that was kind of his university.